Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Tanmay, and today we are going to dive into something that sounds scary, but is it? It's called histogram. It's just a simple way to look into your data, and it's super helpful. Okay, have you ever wondered that how much your screen time compared to your friends? We can use histogram to visualize that in a much better way. And you don't need to be a data scientist to do that. You just need some time and stick with me. You will learn that how to use an histogram to compare data. Okay, let's start with the basic. Histogram is kind of like a bar chart, but it's cooler. It groups data into ranges, and the range here it calls as beans. And the beans shows a range in which the data falls. Sounds complicated? Don't worry, let's do it practically. Here you can see my screen. I have some data with me. Here is 20 friends and their screen time in a week. So for using histogram, you need to select the whole table, or you can select only the data about it. Let's select the data. Just hold it and select it. Then go into the insert tab. In the insert tab, you have to go into the chart section. There you'll find this option which says insert static chart. Click on it. Then here you go. We have a histogram already. Let's click on it and find out what we can do with it. You can easily move it by left clicking on your mouse. Then we can change the chart design going to the chart design tab. Here you are in the insert tab and you can go into the chart design. There you have to click this button and here you go. You can change the chart style. Okay, this looks cool. Let's hop onto it. Now you can change the chart title. Let's change it. Okay. Screen time data. Here you got some options. Okay, we will go into it later. Here you can click onto it on the right click. Just click on the range or which is horizontal axis. You can see there, just below my cursor it says horizontal axis. Right click on it and there you got format axis. Get into it, format axis. Here you will see the axis option which you have. You can sort the data by category. Let's try it out. Okay. Oh, it is not working. So what should we do? We should go with the bin. And here you are seeing the bin, and you can say that it's scattered data. What is happening? The bin width is set to 1 hour. So for each hour, it is showing a different bar. So let's increase it up to, let's say, 5 and press enter. And here you go. We have very beautiful histogram about our screen on time. And it is all about histogram, and you can also change the color here by selecting the change color. So that's it. You just learned how to build a histogram in Excel, and hopefully it feels like math class, or maybe it's more simpler than a math class. If you find this helpful, give it a like, share with your friends, and comment down below on which topic I should make the next video on. So bye.